Hi, I'm going to present something very quickly about how to use actually properly Docker images in Jenkins. So let's switch to browser and I will explain it. Here we go. We have our test project, and if you will go to the configure section, you will see when I scroll down, I'm using Alpine latest image here, Alpine latest. And you can see I'm using cat command pwcat sleep 60. And I'm going to run it now, and I would like to show you something. And I will apply and save. And here we go. It's running, but I will switch to the command line, and now I will run the sudo watch docker, and you can see it's not running here. If I will go back then to the browser and I will go to the configure and I will try to scroll down, and you can see there is a sleep 60. Apply, save, build now. Should run the version 93. Running, console out. Running, it's sleeping now, and I will go to the CLI and you can see the container is up and running. So this is the proof of the concept that the image is running correctly. So in the meantime, I will go back to the browser and I will go here, how to use the Alpine Docker official image. And what I would like to actually explain this, if I will scroll down a little bit, and you have the information about the grabbing the slimmest possible image. And let's say I would like to use something using this pattern, image version number -alpine. See here, this one. So if I will click this and I will copy this one, and then you have the explanation. Remember that you'll likely have to use this tag with a specified version number for your parent image. Running docker pull python alpine or docker pull python latest -alpine won't work. Docker will alert you that the image isn't found, the repo doesn't exist, the command is invalid, or login information is required. This applies to any image. So let's do this. I will try to use this just to present you on the screen. Copy, go here, success, it's done. So CLI, the command, and you can see Docker is not running anymore. And go to the test, go to the configuration, and if I will go here and I will change the Alpine latest to this, to Python latest -alpine, and apply and save, and then I will try to build now. You should see on the console, and here is the change and console output. You can see error response from daemon manifest for Python latest alpine not found. So this is the way it doesn't work. And if I will go here and will copy, for example, this, and we'll scroll up and go here and configure, and we'll change this to this section. Yeah, here. And I will change this to this, for example, apply and save and build now. It should work, and 95 version will be up and running. And you can see it's pulling 18.8.0. So it's working correctly. And now go to the CLI and we will see when it will just appear here in this window. In the meantime, I will see the script is working. Lovely. There is no space left on the device in varlib docker tmp. So I would like to see something. Go back here and you can see this. No space left on the device. So go back to the command line, go here, and we will see what is going on. Control C to break this and to break the watch, and go to the root sudo I cd var lib docker tmp directory and list it, and there is l dash. It's empty. And but what about the df kth command, just like that, and use 50? Oh, that is very interesting. 50% use it available 2 giga. Def root home, and we will var is 99% in use. Like that, you can see what it does. Cd var du command h. That is interesting. You can see there is a lot of npms and there. So the question is how we can clean the var cache. Du maybe because we want to stay in this directory, so it will be var, and we will sort it using -n -r and one more pipe and head -n10, only 10 biggest, and we will see. And if you want this in a human readable format, you can use DAUH and or eventually DUIH. By this way, lovely. We need to make some cleanup here. Docker, we can try this way. System, we will try to unit just like that, and -a-f, and you can see it's going to delete containers. Wow, it deleted a lot. And now if we will do this, yeah, now you can see var text only. Lovely. pvs vgs lvs and lv extend l plus 100%, sorry, 100% free. The docker vg, because we have docker vg like that, and var possibly recite. Now it's recite. Okay, and now pvs vgs, sorry, and lvs. That was my fault. I didn't remember this correctly. And now if we did this, we need to understand the fkth the var besides to first, but I need an example because it should be def something vg, maybe the mapper. Docker vgvar maybe. Okay, docker vgvar, we'll see. Okay, it worked now. dfkth var, we'll see. And now we have size 8.2, so it's bigger now. And if we will use this, you can see 7%, 8.2, and now it's bigger. And this is the way we can increase the size. And now if I will go back to the browser and we'll rerun the test build now, once again it should build up. 96 console output, and you can see it's pulling. And in the meantime I will switch to the command line and we'll go back here. Not this, what, not prune, yeah. Now we should see the status of the system. So pull complete, and then we can try to figure it out. The pull complete, and we will see. And you can see it's running. So this is excellent example how to make it work. And quick explanation. And this is running. And what I would like to see, because I was looking for a solution. Okay. Because I don't remember everything, so you need to understand it. And it's running. And here we go. Here, you need to understand one thing. If you will use this, right, like node, you can use something like, and I will go to the configure section, and you can use a command node here. Node something blah blah blah. Like this. And if you will look to Jenkins Docker pipeline, something like that, and if you will look for this, and you have a node version, so you can use this command. And I'm going to explain this in a moment, like that. But instead of this, we will use it this way, node version. And because we are using node, we can use this command node. But if you will use Alpine latest, you will not be able to use node. And I'm going to present it in a moment. So apply save. And I will just remove the sleep command because we don't want to, eventually we can use sleep 10. And apply and save and build now. And now you can see the console output. I'm sleeping and it's working. It sleeps 10 seconds and now Docker stop RMF and now it's working. And you can see the version of node. But if you will go to the one more time to configure section, right? And you will see this, and I will use Alpine latest. You will not be able to use it like that, Alpine latest, and you will not be able to run the node version. Apply, save, and build now, and you will see. We'll try to run the console. You can see it's running, it's sleeping, and then it should crash. Failure. Why? Because of this. Because the Alpine version doesn't contain the nodejs and npm packages. And node Docker image contains it. You understand it? And if you want to use, for example, nodejs and npm, it's better to use, instead of Alpine latest, to use node Docker image because it contains it. And this way it's much faster and we can work it this way. So I hope I explained it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.